Whew, we made it. I'm gonna show you guys how this thing turned out. Look at, they're already throwing stuff on here. All right, here it is, guys. There it is. Thing turned out really good. If I had to say, like, out of 10, I would say this is probably like a 7. It's real dusty in here. Let me just wipe it down real quick. This is 4 coats of clear. 4 coats of clear. This thing is solid. Now, you will see some fisheye, you know. It's not perfect. Right here, I got something in there. Right here also, I didn't have like a set of tweezers, so I just had to keep going. I will say that I didn't wet sand this. I didn't wet sand the firewall. I left this alone, and I wet sanded over here because I had some fisheye, but with the 4 layers of clear. And I would say if you guys can, do like 4 to 5 layers. So yeah, that would be my suggestion to you guys. I'll give you guys a better close-up from here. Like, I'm not even gonna hide anything. There is like some fisheye here. I did not wet sand this, so you can go down lower and probably get rid of that. I'm not gonna take a chance of cutting through it or something, so I'm gonna leave that alone. It's not a big deal. But overall, man, it's really good. For some reason, there's no fisheye like on these walls right here, like the shock towers or whatever, like none at all. And the firewall barely has any. Overall, man, it's really good. I'm really happy with it. Like, I'm not even lying, guys. This thing is like 7 out of 10 or maybe an 8, because this thing looks awesome. I'll back up a little bit. This thing looks really good, man. Remember the stuff we welded? I went over that. Went over that over here. I did clear coat down here, base coat, all that, primer. I fixed all the little rust spots, even up here, guys. Like, I addressed all that over there. This is probably never gonna rust again. Like, this will never be an issue. If you guys are trying to save some money, not having to tow your car around, not having to pay someone to do it, not having to buy a compressor with a gun and all that stuff, you could do it rattle can and still get a really good result. But it all depends on your situation. Do you want to spend that amount of money on all that equipment and all that stuff, buying clear, primer and all that stuff? Or you guys can buy what I bought. I went and got the 3 cans over here. This one worked really good. So $8 a can. I would buy probably, I don't know, I'd say 4 cans of this. I would say 4 cans of this Rustoleum. This matched my car perfectly. I'll show you guys over here. It can't get better than that. Like, that's so close. Like, I just went with the Rustoleum. Definitely give it like 3 coats. Give it like 3 heavy coats and you guys will be good. With the primer, I would also give that maybe like 3 coats of primer, just so you have enough to sand that. And then with the clear, just go on Amazon. You can get like 4 cans for like $64 or $67, something like that. With the sandpaper and everything, I'd say you can probably paint like your whole engine bay underneath, like the side and everything. I'd say it's easily under $150. If you already have like sandpaper, your tack cloths, like your wax and grease remover and all that stuff. If you have that stuff already, I'd say you could easily do it for like under $100. So you save a lot. You don't tow your car around, like I said. You're not paying someone to do it. You're not buying all the equipment. All you need is the rattle cans and you're all set. So 4 cans, 4 cans, 4 cans. I'd say that'd be pretty good. Now, if I had to pick between the gun and the compressor versus rattle can, I wouldn't mind doing rattle can again, man. I really wouldn't. I think I can reach those like hard to reach areas, because I did try a compressor with a gun before, and it's hard, man. It's hard to reach those spots over there or under here, you know what I'm saying? And then you got to hold like the line, the air line. I say the main reason why this turned out so great was this right here. Like, without this and just this, it looks good, but with this, man, it just takes it to that next level. And honestly, the results are really good, man. So hopefully this video will inspire somebody out there. That's the only reason I did this, was like an experiment, and also to just have some new content on the channel and something new. Still a lot left to do to this car. This car is going to look amazing when we're done. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. That being said, everyone take care, be safe. I'll see you on the next one.